give the answers as soon as possible. The process of breaking down food into a form the body can digest or absorb or can use. The process of breaking down food into a form the
Digestion. Digestion.
Ma'am, diet.
The stomatas would remain closed on a hot day too. Stomatas hot day में close रहते हैं.
Prevent water loss. Prevent water loss.
Prevent water
Ma'am,
loss. Which gas is removed from the atmosphere during photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide.
Which gas is removed?
Ma'am, carbon dioxide because
Ma'am,
plants use that.
Photosynthesis takes in carbon dioxide but removes oxygen.
Oxygen.
But why it is giving carbon dioxide?
Ma'am, because carbon dioxide removes oxygen, plant will कर लेता है.
It should come, oxygen should come. I don't know. It's carbon dioxide. Okay, again, the formula for photosynthesis. What is the equation of photosynthesis? Which one is correct?
Second, CO2 plus H2.
Ma'am, second one.
What is the correct equation for cellular respiration? Respiration, opposite of photosynthesis. What is the equation of respiration?
First.
Yes, ma'am, first.
So I have given in your exam respiration and nutrition. Both should be, you should learn that.
Mitochondria.
Ma'am, mitochondria.
Mitochondria.
एनर्जी करेंसी पावर हाउस नहीं पूछा. एनर्जी करेंसी ऑफ पूछा.
Ma'am, ATP.
ATP.
Correct. ग्लूकोज इज अ न्यूक्लिक एसिड, लिपिड, प्रोटीन और कार्बोहाइड्रेट. ग्लूकोज क्या होता है? न्यूक्लिक एसिड होता है, लिपिड होता है, प्रोटीन कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है.
Ma'am, carbohydrate.
Protein are composed of what smaller building blocks?
Ma'am, amino acids.
Amino acids.
Okay. Which gas is removed from the atmosphere during photosynthesis?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, it is removing carbon dioxide और it is fixing it ना. उसको ले लेकर ही वो ग्लूकोज बना रहा है. तो इस सेंस में हो सकता है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड.
Mitochondria. Mitochondria.
Like bacteria, fungi play an important role in breaking down the. क्या तोड़ती है फंगी? बैक्टीरिया की तरह.
Bodies of dead organisms.
Bodies of bugs, animal waste, bacteria, bodies of dead organism. Dead organism. Decomposers होती है ना वो.
Yes.
What is it?
Is the one reaction cellular respiration.
Cellular respiration.
Ma'am, glucose.
Glucose. Or carbon dioxide.
Main source of energy for all life comes from. Main source of energy.
The food we eat. Ma'am, the food we eat and make.
Should come some. It's the universal energy source. What do plant give
Oxygen.
after photosynthesis?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
प्लांट क्या करते हैं फोटोसिंथेसिस के बाद?
Oxygen.
This is the site of autotrophic nutrition. किसमें होगा autotrophic nutrition?
Ma'am, leaf.
Leaf,
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast.
Leaf के तो chloroplast होते हैं ये।
These control the opening
Guard
and
cells.
closing of
Guard cells.
Guard cells.
cellular respiration goal is to cellular respiration का goal क्या है? Make water
Make
ATP.
Make ATP.
What is formed during photosynthesis? क्या बनता है photosynthesis के दौरान?
Oxygen and
Oxygen and
तीनों बनते हैं, glucose, oxygen, water. What do plant convert carbon dioxide and water into? Carbon dioxide और water.
carbohydrates. Carbohydrates.
These control opening and closing of
Guard
stomach.
cells. Guard cells.
So it is finished. So this will be a nutrition in animals quiz. The correct order of parts labeled 2, 3, 7, 8 are. जो 2, 3, 7, 8 हैं उनका correct order क्या है? 2 for what is 2, what is 3, what is 7 and 8?
I think esophagus, stomach, liver, pancreas.
liver and pancreas.
Stomach, liver, pancreas.
And pancreas.
The correct sequence of steps involved in process of human digestive system. What are 5 steps होते हैं ना animal nutrition?
Ma'am, fourth, ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and nutrition. Fourth one.
Digestion of which of the following would be affected the most if the liver were severely damaged? Liver बहुत खराब हो जाएगा तो किस चीज की digestion खराब हो जाएगी?
And fats.
Fat.
And fats.
Name the glands associated with human digestive system. कौन से glands हैं जो associated हैं digestive system?
And pancreas. Third one.
Yes.
The part that stores liver's digestive juice until they are needed by intestine.
Gallbladder. Gallbladder.
And gallbladder.
Very good. What is the function of bile juice secreted by liver? What is the function of bile juice secreted
It
by
makes
liver?
the big fat garbage effective in
Break down big fat
Ma'am, it convert fat to fatty acid and glycosyl.
or enzyme action. Makes food alkaline.
and last one.
दोनों होता है.
And ma'am, it convert.
दोनों काम करता है वो. Alkaline भी बनाता है और big fat को छोटे fat में भी तोड़ता है. How is small intestine adapted to perform its function? Small intestine की design
Lined with
ऐसा
villi.
क्या है?
Lined
बोल
with
दिया
villi.
because yes ma'am.
Richly supplied with blood vessels, lined with villi, all of the above, being long and coiled. All of the above. Long and coiled भी है, villi भी हैं और richly supplied with blood भी है. ठीक है? Clear?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Where does most of the digestive process take place? सबसे ज़्यादा digestive
Small intestine. Small intestine.
Small intestine. Small intestine.
The following list describes 4 major digestive enzymes. Which one of the following is incorrect?
From first, I think. Pepsin gastric.
Trypsin, pancreas, stomach.
Pancreas, stomach.
Last one was. In which part of alimentary canal does digestion of protein begin? कौन से part में start हो जाता है?
Ma'am, buccal cavity.
Ma'am, buccal cavity.
Stomach
Stomach.
में होता है बेटा. Protein का पूछा था ना? Carbohydrates का होता तो buccal cavity हो जाता. The following list describes 4 major digestive enzymes. Which one of the following is incorrect?
Trypsin, pancreas, stomach. Right. What is the other?
So you are at 100% accuracy. Very good. Now we will again see another quiz. Mostly grass-eating animals are called
Carnivores.
eating animals called ruminants.
Ruminants.
Wonder
Yes ma'am.
this time में rumination होता रहता है. Dash transports nutrients from the undigested to every cell of the body. कौन
Ma'am, oxygen.
Ma'am,
Oxygen.
oxygen.
Blood.
blood जाते हैं पूरे cells में.
Blood.
Blood.
Blood के through जाते हैं. Milk teeth fall off in. Milk teeth किन में गिर जाते हैं?
Children.
Old.
Children में तो गिरेंगे दूध के दांत.
Yes ma'am.
What is the finger-like projections found in digestive system?
Live.
Ma'am, alive. Ma'am, alive.
Choose the correct order after reading the statement below. Digestion is a complex process involving
Ingestion, digestion, absorption. Second option.
Second one.
Second option. Ma'am, second. Second.
amoeba digests its food in the
Food
vacuole. Ma'am, food vacuole.
Vacuole.
dash takes in food by the use of
Amoeba. Amoeba.
Ma'am, amoeba.
the mode of feeding of the mosquito.
Sucking.
Sucking, cuddling.
Ma'am, sucking.
Water from undigested food is absorbed mainly in the water कहाँ absorb होता है? वाटर और सॉल्ट सबसे
लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन,
ज्यादा है ना?
Large.
The piercing and tearing teeth is called. Piercing और tearing करने वाला teeth क्या कहलाता है?
इंसीजर,
Incisor.
Time. Dash is the largest gland in our body.
लीवर, लीवर,
Liver.
The process of breaking down of food is called
Ingestion.
डाइजेशन,
Digestion.
breaking down में तो digestion होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Taking in is ingestion.
Dash secretes pancreatic juice.
पेनक्रियाज,
Pancreas.
पेनक्रियाज,
The process of food intake is known as
Ingestion.
food को अंदर ले जाना कहलाता है.
Ingestion.
The dash helps in mixing saliva with food.
टंग,
Tongue.
tongue,
Liver secretes
Bile juice.
बाइल जूस,
in dash most of the nutrients are absorbed by small intestine.
ह्यूमन बींग्स,
Ma'am, human beings.
ह्यूमन बींग,
The digested food is absorbed by
Large intestine.
लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन,
small intestine में सारा absorption होता है.
स्मॉल,
Digestion starts from
Mouth.
माउथ,
mouth,
the inner wall of stomach secretes. Stomach की wall क्या
म्यूकस एंड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड,
Hydrochloric acid.
and hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Okay, so you can also find such quizzes on quizzes.com. This is a site QUIZIZZ. ठीक है, आप भी गूगल पे अगर quizzes.com डालेंगे तो आपको इतने सारे अलग टॉपिक्स के बारे में सर्च करके क्विजेज मिलेंगे. आप उस पर प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो जिससे कि आपके MCQs अच्छे हो जाएंगे. ठीक है.
ओके मैम,
Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
I'm ending the class. Okay, so we'll meet again tomorrow.